She's a Writer by Keely Otori. She sits at her desk, her headphones in, the world shut out. She bleeds for others as words fly from her mind to her fingertips. She stares at the screen, at every little comment, the good and the painful. She forms her emotions into books and poems to throw away the hurt. She's a writer, and her best weapons are her mind and her pen.